Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change the zoom region on your iPhone running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the zoom region sets how the zoom will behave. You can set it to full screen or just a window. So let me show you how to change this. So first we need to enable zoom. So we can do this by going to settings, then tap on accessibility, then tap on zoom and go ahead and enable zoom. Now let's zoom out, and on this page you're going to find zoom region, which is just down here. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you've got two options. You've got the full screen zoom, which you saw earlier, which basically it zooms into the screen. The other option we have is the window zoom, and in this option you get a window, and wherever that box is, that area will be zoomed in. So let me show you how it looks like. So if you double tap on the screen, there you go, you get a window here, and you can move this window wherever you like. And that is how to change the zoom region on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.